Shopping. Can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for a sweater in a size medium. Let's see. Here's a nice white one. What do you think? I think I'd rather have it in blue. Okay, here's blue in a medium. Would you like to try it on? Okay. Yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it? It's $50. It will be $53 with tax. Perfect. I'll take it. Try it on means to test the fit or appearance of a garment by putting it on. I'll take it means I will buy it. Transportation. Should we take a taxi or a bus to the mall? Let's take a bus. It's impossible to get a taxi during rush hour. Isn't that a bus stop over there? Yes. Oh, there's a bus now. We'll have to run to catch it. Oh no, we just missed it. No problem. There will be another one in 10 minutes. We just missed it. Here means we arrived a moment too late to get the bus. Notice the emphasis on just to show the very recent past.